Samsung is going to launch its 2020's Galaxy A series phones on December 12th, and it is now confirmed that the Samsung Galaxy A51 is launching that day. We were also expecting the launch of Samsung Galaxy A71 and other phones, but that does not seem to be happening until next year. The Samsung Galaxy A51 is the successor to the Samsung Galaxy A50, which was a very popular mid-range phone from Samsung this year. We have already seen the CAD renders of the Samsung Galaxy A51, so we know how the phone looks like. Now the press renders of the phone are here along with the main specifications, so after this leak the only thing that is left to know is the price. Talking about the design, the Samsung Galaxy A51 has a hole punch display on the front that Samsung also calls Infinity O display. The tiny cutout for the front camera is placed in the middle on top instead of left or right. On the rear there is a L-shaped camera setup that includes quad cameras and the LED flash. We are going to see the same design in a lot of upcoming Samsung phones that also include the Samsung Galaxy S11 series. Coming to the specifications, the Samsung Galaxy A51 has a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display and there is Exynos 9611 SoC powering this device. Yes, it is the same SoC that powers the phones like Samsung Galaxy M30s. It is based on the 10nm manufacturing process, and the Cortex A73 cores of the CPU can go as high as 2.3 GHz. Talking about the GPU, this SoC comes with the Mali G72 GPU. The Samsung Galaxy A51 is going to be the most affordable Samsung phone with a quad camera setup on the rear. There is a primary 48MP sensor with f2.0 aperture, a secondary 12MP ultra wide angle camera, a third 5MP macro lens and a 5MP depth sensor. On the front there is a single 32MP camera placed in that tiny cutout. Finally, the phone has 4 or 6GB RAM with 64 or 128GB storage and a 4000 mAh battery with 15W fast charging support. The Samsung Galaxy A50 is currently selling for $260 in the USA and around 17,000 rupees in India. So let's see at what price Samsung launches the Samsung Galaxy A51 in the market. What do you think the price should be? Do let me know via the comments section below. I'll catch you in the next one.